Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're unboxing the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Once inside the box, you'll see that we've got the S22 Ultra, and underneath that we've got the typical Samsung paperwork along with a USB-C to C cable. Keep in mind that there's no wall charger included. The exterior has been redesigned from last year with smoother rounded edges with a great matte black finish on the back to keep fingerprints away. The camera housing has also been updated from a single camera bump to individual lenses coming out of the back of the glass. Samsung has integrated a couple of shortcuts into the lock button. If you double click on it, the camera app will open up so you don't miss out on a single moment, and a long press on the lock button will open up Samsung's Bixby digital assistant. The S22 Ultra is equipped with 4 total cameras this year, including a 108 megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide-angle camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 10 times optical zoom, and a 10 megapixel camera with 3 times optical zoom. In addition to these, the S22 Ultra also features a 40 megapixel camera for those of us that want a really sharp selfie. This is the first Galaxy S device that features a built-in S Pen, which is a great feature for those missing their Galaxy Notes. This is a huge improvement over the S21 Ultra, which supported it but didn't integrate it. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is a refinement of the previous year with some much welcome features like the S Pen integration and the smooth edges to make it more comfortable in the hand. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.